Hope everyone's doing well. Well, for Stock Lock Sunday, I thought I'd do this Ilco. It's a 5-pinner, new old stock. And I'm going to use top of the keyway. Go off this little ledge right here. I'm sure everybody can see it. Sometimes, man, this thing opens up really quickly. There we go. There's our bitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like I gotta hit these guys in the middle, and all these other ones are like no touch pins or something. Lucky back up. Yeah, one time I put my pick in here. I was going off this ledge, and I just came in and touched a low-hanging pin, and it went tink. It went open. I went, whoa. And then other times you can fight with it, like right now. There we go. A little bit of a struggle, but fun to lock. I love the design of them. The way that thing is shaped, and it's solid. So there you go. For Stock Lock Sunday, we have a number 384 Ilco heavy duty case hardened shackle. Extruded brass. Fitchburg, Massachusetts. Yeah, here's the key. Independent Oil Company. Thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone. All I'm saying, I don't have a drinking problem. Don't know what's wrong with you people. The first step in recognizing that you have a problem is to admit that you have a problem. You're in denial, sir. You're in denial. Isn't denial in Africa? Oh, he made a pun there, I think. No, denial is when you don't recognize your problems or what they are. You're just denying that they even exist. But I don't have a drinking problem. Oh, I fell over. See? Denial. You just denied you had a drinking problem.